Hello everyone. Are you looking for a good partner or to be in a relationship? In this video we are going to show you how to use a dating app that's a Match.com. If you want to create an account on Match.com, then in this video tutorial we will show you how. First of all, go to your Chrome browser, open a new tab and type Match.com and open the website. Then first you need to sign up if you don't have an account. Here you need to tap what your gender is. Then you need to tap on who you are interested in. Now you need to enter your date of birth. You need to enter your date of birth. Then tap on the blue right arrow button. Then now you need to enter what is your zip code. After you have entered your zip code, now you need to enter what is your name, or you can also enter your nickname. Then tap on the next button and finally enter the email address you want to sign in with and tap on continue. Then you tap on the continue button and then your sign up process will finally complete and your account will be created on the Match.com. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you have learned how to create an account on Match.com. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.